Hello, my name is Emily and I'm a product specialist. In this video, we're going to be talking about the LoveBoxxx First Self-Love Experience Set. First up, we have toy cleaner, any essential part of cleaning toys after use. To use, simply remove the cap, spray on the toy with some lukewarm water, and it's ready to use next time. Next up, we have water-based lubricant, an essential in any bedroom. This helps to make your experience more comfortable. We have an anal plug, made of a body-safe silicone, and as you can see, it has a curved head here for extra stimulation during use. It's flexible and also has a wide base to ensure it stays in. We have a jiggle ball, really simple and easy to use, with a pull string which makes insertion and removal simple and easy. The material is a soft silicone and it has a weighted ball inside, which is perfect for pelvic floor training and vaginal stimulation. We have a mini vibrator with 4 different attachments available, so you can enjoy different patterns stimulation. Simply pop open the cap and interchange with the attachment of your choice. To turn on, simply use the dial to turn to the right and it's on. To turn off, simply turn to the left and it's off. And batteries are included. And the last of the toys in this set is the vibrating egg, something you can use yourself or you can give it over to your partner in control. The egg itself is made of a soft material, so it will feel really soft and smooth on insertion and will feel really comfortable during use. This vibrating egg comes with a remote control with various different settings. To activate, simply push the little button and it's already on. To change the setting, simply press the same button and choose how far you want to go. To turn off, simply press and hold down the button and it's off. And batteries in this vibrating egg are included. And last but not least, a user manual, which is included in every set. This little guide has lots of tips and tricks and guides to help you through your first self-love experience. This manual was also co-written by our own in-house professional sexologist. If you're curious to learn more, why not visit our webshop and view our other LoveBoxxx starter sets and enjoy your first experience.